asleep from upstairs. What happened?
Gestor hit the precinct.
What?
He killed everyone who was inside.
Everyone?
Including Hank and Wu.
Oh my God, Nick, no.
Where were you?
I was with him. I was the only one he didn't kill. Couldn't kill, I don't know. Bullets don't have any effect on me. I still have the stick. Maybe that's why I'm not dead. I tried to use it on Wu and Hank, but it didn't do anything.
Nick, Diana said that this thing doesn't just want her. It also wants Kelly.
No.
We have to stop him.
We're doing everything we can. Trouble's with me.
Thank God.
I'm gonna send her out to you.
What?
If he finds them, I need one of us with them.
Okay.
I'm going to the spy shop. I'll check in with you from there.
Please be careful.
You too. You're gonna take my car.
I don't think we should split up.
I need you out there.